the change, be the light, and do unto others as you would have them do unto you. If this is your first time on the channel, guys, welcome, welcome. Thank you for clicking on that video to watch. And if this is not your first time, I thank you so much for coming back and for supporting this channel. Now I have a Jamaican accent tag. This is different from the first one that I did or from the second one. This is actually a Jamaican tag questions, and I'm going to be answering your questions as sincerely and honestly as I think of it. Okay? My opinions here. Anyways, the first question is the last time in Jamaica. Well, that was many moons ago, guys. Over a decade. Yeah, unfortunately, that's what it is. And the second question is, it's just going to be 7 short questions. One Jamaican dish you enjoy. Well, I enjoy a lot of Jamaican dishes, but one dish in particular that I love so much is got to be stew peas and rice. And not just stew peas and rice, but stew peas and rice with coconut milk. Well, it's super delicious. It takes it to another level when I have that white rice with that coconut milk in it. All right, the third question is household item that best resembles our culture. Okay, I'm gonna have to think on that one. I do have some items there that I could feature, but I'm gonna have to go for it and come show it. Okay, hold on 1 second. Yeah, there are a lot of items in the house, but this one in particular I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be our sorrel. Basically, look up here. You can see it's our Jamaican sorrel. Okay. And the next question is something in the Jamaican dialect. Say something in the Jamaican dialect. Wagwan. How you do? Yeah, how you do? Everything all right? That's what I can think of right now. Where you cook for dinner? Where you eat for lunch? Where you do today? You want to go somewhere? Yeah, I think I've said enough. And number 6, what would you like most, or what do you like most about the Jamaican culture? Well, like I guess with like everyone else, I love the Jamaican culture. You know, I love the way we rap with each other, or we talk, or we, you know, say certain things. We have different words to express ourselves. Sometimes it's a disadvantage because, for example, when you're asking, you want something, you say, oh, pass that over there for me. And I mean, how can you know exactly what to pass? But sometimes you really do know, or we have to ask. And when we're having our Jamaican get-togethers and parties and whatnot, trust me, the food is like none other. The potato salad, you know, the macaroni cheesecake, or they call it up here macaroni cheese casserole. We say macaroni, we say cheesecake, macaroni cheese, or cheesecake, macaroni cheesecake. The last question is, what's the best memory you had in Jamaica? Well, I had a lot of good memories in Jamaica. I can't seem to remember or to single one out now, but I know that the most important thing was spending time with our you know, families, visiting my grandmother's parishes, especially for when we had like holidays and so, or holidays from school. Like some of the times we would go to the country area, and we have a good time. We go to the river, we go at the bush, you know. For those who don't understand, the riverside. And of course we're going to go into the bushy areas that are not developed, where you have a lot of trees and cane and grass and all that. Yes, the natural environment that has not been cleared by mankind. Yeah, so I remember those days, and just, you know, it brings back the smell of the food. You know, the terrain, you know, the roads, how the houses looked, the clean air, man, fresh, nice, clean air, not polluted air, like we rather have to get used to now. But the air was so clean, you know. We didn't know about pollution then. Excuse me. Yeah. And you know, just in general, just spending time with family and friends, and, you know, running, you know, with joke, and sometimes one boat, cartwheel, dumpling, and your dirty, what do you call it, the tin mackerel and things like that. Some people call it dirty gal. I don't know why. I have no idea why they call it that. But the mackerel is mwah, mwah. It is so good. And you have that, cook it up with your seasoning and put some ketchup in there, man. Put pepper, and, you know, yeah, you have to stretch it out. Every Jamaican we know what you talk about stretching with food. So you have to stretch out the mackerel, put the, you know, like extra oil in there, and ketchup and things. So, you know, so it can stretch, so that, you know, the number of people that you have there, which is usually a good number of people, you can share it with them, you know. So everybody have a little mackerel and some dumpling. The dumpling will always be probably more than the mackerel, depending on the household. Yeah, but those are some of the good times, you know, when we travel out to different parts of the country. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. And I'm gonna ask you, please, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and make sure that you hit that notification bell, so that every time I upload a video, you get the VIP treatment, that you get the video first before everybody else. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe. And not only do you want to subscribe, but you want to hit that notification bell. Very, very important. Muy, muy importante. Okay? And of course, it's always good you help me out. If you go ahead and like the video and leave me a comment. And yeah, that's about it. Like, comment. Oh, very, very important. Share the video with anybody you want to share it with. Okay, thank you again, guys.